Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's video is another open house tour of a premier home here in the village of Sunset Pointe in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom home. It is made of block and stucco. I hope you enjoy the tour. Welcome everyone. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's an open house tour of a block and stucco home, a premier home located here in the village of Sunset Pointe. It does have a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage that actually looks like a 3rd car garage. I'm standing out here on the street. I will pan to the left, which is going to be facing west. And I will pan to the right, and that would be facing east. It's more like a southeast location. So let's take a walk through this house. As always, please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this house. The list price on this home is $995,000. I see that the driveway is painted cement. It looks like the roof is in very good condition. It has a very large yard. This is a premier home. Very nice. As always, please contact the listing agent for more information. I will video the specification sheet, so you can refer to that if you are interested in this home. You can see this is a very beautiful home, very mature landscaping, very inviting entrance. Very awesome home. Let's walk in there and take a look. You can see it has double glass doors. You can see it has a very large patio area here in the front of the home with the same painted cement. Very nice, very high ceilings. This is a block and stucco home. Let's go in and take a look. So I am in the foyer area.
This is a nice 4-bedroom, actually it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home and a golf course. Go check it out. It has all the nicks and knacks. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. I do appreciate that. I will describe what I see as I walk through the house. I am in the foyer area. The first thing I notice is ceramic tile floors. And off to the right, I do see a guest quarters in the front of the home. I do see a living area here with carpeting. And off to the back is a very large lanai. Looks like it has ceramic tile. Off to the left, what I see is a dining area with carpeting. Has very high ceilings. The texture is knockdown texture. These ceilings are very tall. It has to be, I don't know, 12, 15 feet in height. I will start by walking to the left and going into the kitchen area. I do notice in the kitchen area it has tile floors. It has solid surface counters. It has natural gas. Awesome woodwork, wood cabinets with crown molding on the cabinets. It does have a large single bowl sink. Very nice kitchen area. I will video the specification sheet so you have an idea. These ceilings are really tall. Very nice, very bright. It is located with a golf course view. I will show you that a little bit later. Here is the specification sheet. This home is located at 1479 Blenheim Trail here in the Villages. It is list priced at $995,000. And I will pan the spec sheet for the particulars. Feel free to stop the video at any point so you can read the spec sheet. As always, please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home. There is the spec sheet and the room dimensions. As I continue through this home, let's take a walk over here in the living area. And you can see it. This is the lanai. It does have a golf course view. I will video that a little bit later. This is the living area. This home is very nice, very bright, lots of windows. The windows are really large. Just panning off to the left, giving you an idea of what that kitchen area looks like. Very nice, very spacious home. This is the living area. This is the hallway that will lead into the master bedroom and the guest bedroom as well. So let's take a walk through here. And we do have the carpeting continuing. This is a guest bedroom right here. To give you perspective, that is a queen size bed. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Very large window. Very large windows in this home. Give you an idea of what the bedroom is. Very good sized bedroom. Let's take a walk back out of the guest bedroom, and here we have a guest bathroom. Very nice with a single bowl sink, very high ceilings. Tile floors continue. It does have a walk-in Roman shower as well in the guest bathroom. That is very nice. With tile. Look at how high the ceilings are. Very nice shower area. All tiled, walk in. Let's take a walk into the next room. Here we have another room with carpeted flooring. This is another guest bedroom. Give you a perspective of what this bedroom looks like. That is another queen size bed to give you an idea of how large this room really is. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Very cozy and comfortable room. Very awesome. This bedroom also has its own bathroom with tile floors and a single bowl sink. And guess what? It has a walk-in Roman shower also in this bedroom. How nice is that? And there is the shower right there. Very nice. Very neat. This also has a separate area for the commode. Very nice guest bedroom. Let's continue throughout this home and take a walk to the other side of the home. Here we have the laundry area. That door will lead into the garage. Let's take a look at what the garage might look like. Looks like this garage does have epoxy floors. It looks like it does have a water softener. There is a 2-car garage door there, and that looks like a single car garage door there. Very nice, very spacious. This garage is very large. It does have the majestic stairs. Those are very safe and stable stairs. They are manufactured by someone who lives in the Villages. Very large garage. This house is good, perfect for the person who likes large garage space. Has closet doors there. There's a closet door over there. Very nice. Very neat, very meticulous home. Let's go back and look at the master bedroom area, which is located on the other side of the home as the 2 guest bedrooms. So over on this side of the home, I think I mistakenly said this was the guest area, but this side of the home is the master bedroom area. Looks like the front of the home does have a den with carpeted floors. Very spacious, very nice room, very high ceilings with knockdown texture. This room is being used as a den. Very nice. Ceramic tile in the hallway, and this hallway will lead into the master bedroom. This master bedroom is absolutely huge. It does have carpeted floors. That is a king-size bed to give you perspective of the size of this room. Very high tray ceilings in this room. Look at the size of those tray ceilings. Walk to this side of the bedroom. Kind of video of that. This bedroom does have a master bathroom off of that. Let's take a walk in there. The master bedroom does have tile floors. Let's see what that looks like. It has 2 sinks, wood cabinets. Very nice. There is a window above the tub. The tub is a jetted tub. Very awesome. It does have a separate commode room with a window in it. Very nice. Very high ceilings in that home, in that room. Again, this bathroom does have another walk-in Roman type shower with tile. Very nice. Very, very nice. This is the shower for the master bedroom. There is a closet off this bathroom as well, walk-in closet. And that's the walk-in closet. Very high ceilings. Has shelving units. There is carpet on the floor in this master bedroom closet. Very nice. Very large. Very nice. Very, very awesome. This is standing in the bathroom, looking out into the lanai. This lanai is temperature controlled. It does have tile floors in this lanai. This is a showstopper lanai. This lanai is probably one of the best lanais I've seen since I've been doing these videos. That is your golf course view. As I mentioned before, this home is located in the village of Sunset Pointe. It does have a golf course view. I will swing around, I'll video this temperature controlled lanai. Ceilings are very tall, very high ceilings. Lots of sitting area here. It is temperature controlled. That is kind of looking off into the living area. That's looking off into the kitchen area. That's looking into the master bedroom area. And this lanai does have a bar area with a solid surface. Look at the bar area with solid surface. It does have an outside patio area. Look at that outside patio. This is the side of the house. The patio does have brick pavers. It is situated on a golf course. This is the back of the home. That's the back of the home right there. Wow, this is a gorgeous view. That's looking off into the golf course. All right, now let's start heading out of this home. This home is list priced at $995,000. As always, please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home. I will leave his contact information in the description of this video. Let's take a walk outside. Take another panoramic view of this living and dinette area. All right, we'll take a walk out to the street. As usual, This house does have a very large setback. This is a premier home in a wonderful neighborhood here in the Villages, Florida. Again, everybody, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. I really do appreciate it. Take care, everybody. Have a safe weekend. Thank you, everyone, for joining this open house tour at 1479 Blenheim Trail here in the Village of Sunset Pointe in the Villages, Florida. This is a block and stucco home. Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend.